everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Sumit Singh and this is another study vlog. So before moving into the video, I want to tell you about Unacademy CA Intermediate Combat. Rewards like never before. Scholarship from a pool of 1 crore. So Unacademy presenting Toppers Batch, a comprehensive batch for CA Foundation students which is starting from 10th of November 2021. Learn from the best educators in India and make the most of your abilities. So this is the perfect time to clear May 22 exams. In November, start your preparation with Toppers Batch. In December, practice MTPs and RTPs. In February, quick revision with top-notch educators. In May, one-day revision marathon for all subjects. On Unacademy, you will get plus subscription and iconic subscription for CA Foundation students. Unacademy presenting CA Iconic program, which is a flagship program for CA Foundation aspirant, and there is live mentoring platform coming soon, which will include personal coaching, doubt solving, evaluated test series, printed books, industry expert session, Discord, plus live classes, weekly test, study material, unlimited access, structured courses. Give your exam preparation on an extra edge with their new live mentoring platform. So it was 10 a.m. in the morning and I was practicing MCQ from Magnet Brain 100 MCQ series. I was doing statistics for economics, collection of data.